kayo dyan. We miss you. We love you. Happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Nanay Ura. We wish you a happy birthday. More birthdays to come, good health, and enjoy your special day. We miss you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Miss Liza Soberano. Sino ba babatiin natin?
Si Lola Ura.
Ay, happy birthday, Lola Ura. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po.
God bless. Peace.
Hi Laura, happy birthday. I wish we can be there with you to celebrate. But anyway, I hope you're doing well and staying healthy. We miss you, love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola.
Kiss, kiss. Ow! Say ow!
Hello, Nanay Ura. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Pasensya na po kayo at ako'y nakapambahay lamang. Wish ko lang po sa inyo ay lagi ay good health at many more birthdays to come. And we love you. Ulit, Nanay Ura, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola. I love you. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Birthday, Nanay.
Say I love you!
I love you. I love you too.
Look, is... Happy birthday! Say bye!
Hello, guys.
Bye!
Hello, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Lola Ura, happy birthday. Pasensya na hindi ako nakapagayos. Medyo puyat ako eh. Alam mo naman quarantine ngayon kaya hindi pa ako nakapagpunta sa barbershop. Happy birthday, Lola Ura.
What's up, Lola Ra? It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Lola Sandy. Para ka lang 18 years old dyan. Tingnan mo ako, pawis na pawis. Dinigrit pa lang kita ng happy birthday, pinagpapawisan ako. Enjoy at uwi na kayo soon. Bye!